Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Summertime Saga on iOS. Alright, so let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the settings and scroll down and then go ahead to the general. Here, go ahead to the background app refresh and then make sure that you make it on the Wi-Fi and cellular data. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go to my browser and then type Summertime Saga iOS. Then basically go ahead to any website that allows you to download it. I recommend that you go to the App Store Google Play. Normally, Summertime Saga is not available for all countries and iPhones. So if it is available in your country and supported by your iPhone, then it should show on your App Store. So click on that. Then as you can see right here, the Summertime Saga is available to my country. Note it is not available for all countries. So if you don't see Summertime Saga on your App Store, that means it is not available in your country and you can't download. But if it is in your country, so what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and download the Summertime Saga and then confirm that you want to download it, and basically now you're going to be able to play it. So that's basically how you can download Summertime Saga on iOS. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.